Hi, this is CJ, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the condition of my Galaxy S8 mobile phone after 1 year of usage without the screen guard. So if you have seen my previous video in which I showed the condition of the same phone at the end of 4 months, this is the video at the end of the entire year. So I bought this mobile phone back in May 2017, so technically it's 13 months. So this is the mobile phone. As you can see that in the previous video I said that I'm going to be buying this particular pouch. It's pretty good actually. It looks nice. It just looks like a mobile phone in your hand. All you need to do is just flip it over and take it out, right? So as you can see that it has picked a lot of smudges, right? So I'm going to be in this video I'm going to be cleaning these things in under a minute, and I'll show you the condition of the phone and whether it has picked up any any scratches or micro scratches. You can see for yourself, right? The camera will show everything to you. So without much further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to remove this cover, right? Okay, I've still not peeled off the original screen guard I got installed at the back only, right? It's still there. I'm going to be kind of peeling it off at the time of setting this particular phone. So I'm going to keep this thing here. I'm going to make use of this microfiber cloth. This is from MagicFiber, right? This is going to be the one. First of all, I'm going to remove the stains. Alright, so it has removed the stains. I'm going to just give it one more shot. Okay. Alright, okay, this is gone. Then I'm going to be applying this particular solution I got from my optician. Alright, I think it can be available, it's available everywhere. This lens cleaner spray solution. So I'm going to apply, I'm going to probably cover this part here. Although it is IP68 certified, but I just want to make sure that it's covered. Yeah, so the ear piece covered. Okay, so I'm going to apply this all over and wipe it out like this. Okay, right, and I have another one of such MagicFiber cloth which I am going to use. It's probably the new one actually, although I try to keep this thing in this particular wrapper. So let's see, I'm going to clean this thing now. Sorry for that. Okay, so now it's absolutely clean. So now you can see for yourself if there are even a single scratch, right? This is absolutely clean. So this is the condition of the phone at the end of 13 months actually, and without the use of screen guard. Now you can say that I've been putting this phone in this particular pouch. But yeah, I mean, you have to use some kind of protection for the screen, right? I don't like screen guard because, like I told you in the last video as well, that it tends to peel off from the edges after a use of 10 to 15 days. My spouse actually purchased this thing for her Galaxy S9, and she would not agree to me that this is not going to work, but at the end of like 2-3 weeks it started to peel off, and now she's using this same thing. Although women do not like this thing, but it's okay. But I like it, and the feel of the screen without the screen guard, it's pretty good actually. So yeah, so that's the condition of my phone at the end of like 1 year and 1 month. Thank you.